Hey everybody, my name is Dustin. I'm your RV specialist. So I want to talk about wheel bearings and maintenance and just things that we do different. So first, most people are not going to do the average, hey, change my wheel bearing grease every 12 months or 12,000 miles, right? Not too many people go and put 12,000 miles. I spoke to a consumer the other day. It's got a unit that's 10 years old and barely put 10,000 miles on it. So one of the reasons that you want to do the wheel bearing pack service, or one that like we offer, and I don't know, how your Camping Worlds or your Blue Compasses or anybody else operates. I only see their bullet points. So when somebody comes into my shop and we're doing a wheel bearing service to it, or to back up here, if you're going to take it into like a La Schwab, or we got a company close by, it's called Bruce's Tires, or other different outfits here around, they're not going to look at all the stuff that could potentially be wrong with your coach. So when we're doing a wheel bearing pack service, we're checking your lights, your 7-way cord, we're looking for any damages, we're looking at the frame, we're looking at your shackle links, the bolts, are they wet bolts, are they nylon bushings, are they regular bushings? We're looking at the leaf springs, we're looking at the U-bolts, we're looking at the hangers, we're looking for anything that's worn out, wallered out, can cause it to break down or cause you a problem. We're looking at tires too, even though we don't sell tires. We're looking at to say, hey, they're bald, or they're cupping, or they're separating, or they're aged out. So the last thing we want you to do is go out and go camping and have a problem. Losing a hub is definitely not fun. Losing a bearing is definitely not fun. And getting stranded somewhere. So we encourage, like, next time you go to a repair shop, whether it's our repair shop or somebody else's, if they're doing a wheel bearing service, or they're replacing your wheel bearings, doing your brakes or drums or whatever, ask them some questions. Find out about what sizes those are. There's usually a kit, and there's different kits that we get. They just refer to them as kits 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's other custom sizes, but basically that's for like your 10-inch and 12-inch hubs. And so there are some standards, but then there's not. But we'll usually say to our customers, hey, do you want to buy a wheel bearing kit just to throw in the compartment and have on hand? It comes with the inner and outer bearing, cotter pin, a dust cap, some extra nuts. So it's just something to have in case you end up having if you're on a long trip and something fails, you have that kit with you, so that if you do blow a wheel bearing, you can at least get somebody out there, or if you're going to repack it and replace it yourself. So anyways, check out your maintenance, look at your owner's manuals, look at what kind of axles you have. On the axle tube itself, there's a data tag. You can always look up all that information. It's either going to say like Dexter or Lippert or Alco or something like that. You can call those guys, send them they usually have online, they'll have like how to read that axle identification sticker, and that'll tell you all the information you need to know about that. You can look up parts and stuff for it as well. So anyways, stay up on your maintenance. Be careful who you're going out there to get the work done. We do see constantly a lot of bad stuff that happens. So make sure you're torquing your wheels, and checking your air tire pressure. All right, well, I rattled on along enough for today, and hope you're enjoying these videos. I hope some of these tips and things help you. And so travel safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching.